Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here in the third line we have a button Disconnect. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you click Disconnect, it stops Bluetooth connection between your phone and your earbuds, but do not remove it from the list, so it just leaves at the device list. And when you tap at the Unpair, it will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let's tap on it, and as you can see, it stopped Bluetooth connection, so now these earbuds are disconnected, but we do not remove it from the list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!